Today, I'm counting down my top 5 uses for software-defined radio, so stick around. Also, make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps the channel out and costs nothing to do. Starting off our list at number 5 is tracking aircraft. Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, or ADS-B for short, is a federally mandated system that all aircraft broadcast their location, enabling them to be tracked. The system is used as a backup to radar. The information is transmitted in the clear, allowing you to receive the signal, and with an SDR and the right software, you could decode and chart the aircraft on a map. At number 4 on our list is WeFax. Radio fax was the predecessor to SSTV and was used since the 30s to transmit monochromatic images over HF frequencies. Today, WeFax is the use of radio fax to transmit weather charts and other important weather-related information to ships at sea, helping them navigate around hazardous situations. Using SDR and the popular software FLDigi, you could receive and decode these images yourself. Onto the number 3 spot is slow scan television, otherwise known as SSTV. This is the transmission of images over radio. While not as fast as texting your friend an image, this technology has been around since the late 50s. NASA even used a form of SSTV during the Apollo missions. SSTV is still widely used today, from amateur radio to pirates, and even NASA still employs it to send SSTV transmissions from the International Space Station. All you need to view these images is an SDR and a software like MMSSTV. Speaking of transmissions from space, at the number 2 spot is signals from space. We are not talking aliens here, but more specifically, receiving weather images from satellites. These satellites are circling Earth at over 22,000 miles, taking images of the Earth and beaming them back down for you to intercept. WX to IMG is a popular software application that will take the audio from your SDR and decode the data to overlay the satellite images onto a map. Coming in at our number 1 spot is pirate radio. Maybe it's the music, maybe it's because you never know what to expect, but there's just something gratifying about tuning in one of these illegal broadcasts. What started out as a rebellion against the system, pirate radio is still alive today. You could spend countless hours hunting down and enjoying these broadcasts, and I highly recommend it. They can pop up anywhere and at any time, and are always a pleasure. A little bonus, watch out for them to send SSTV as well. Well, that wraps up our top 5 uses for SDR. What do you think? What's your top 5? Anything we missed? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, remember to give the video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.